All right, Tesla on your screen. Huge drop, down 5.6%. Here is Keith Fitz, who I believe has been in the past bullish on Tesla. All right, Keith, here's your chance. He may sell 10% of his stock. The price is all the way down. Are you buying any of these shares that he may be selling?
Absolutely, Stuart. Here's the thing. People confuse this with all heck breaking loose. He's not leaving the company. He's not stepping aside from management. He's not changing the business case for owning it. Every seller has a buyer, including his share. And so, you know what? I'm still on the table at $2,500 a share 36 months from now. So, yeah, you bet I'm in.
Do you think he's being a little irresponsible the way he tweets this stuff and really hurts the market, hurts his own shareholders?
You know, that's a tough call because, you know, liquidity events like this happen for all of various reasons. You could be selling a house, you could be buying a college education for your young one, you could be doing all kinds of things. Maybe he's going to start a whole bunch of new businesses, which are probably going to be domiciled offshore just to avoid the tax bill.
Yeah, but wait a minute, that's different. But this is different. I mean, you put out a tweet on a Saturday night inviting Twitter users to say, well, should I sell 10% or not? What kind of a thing is that when you're talking about 15, 20, $25 billion? I put it to you, you really should not be doing that.
I would agree with you personally, but again, you know, Musk has a habit of breaking the rule book, and I think he was asking a legitimate question. Perhaps he could have framed it differently. I totally agree with you on that one. But is it wrong? I think the jury's still out, Stuart.
All right, okay. I move on to Meta, formerly known as Facebook. When they changed the name, the stock went up. I guess the name change worked. Are you in on it?
No, absolutely not. I think, you know, the Facebook pressure is mounting on this one. Zuckerberg is brilliant, but he's a predator. Everybody's complaining about how invasive, how he can't control hate speech, everything else. And they're just wondering that the metaverse is going to be this happy-go-lucky place. Disney isn't running this. It's going to be homing in on your emotions, who you are, the personal information, identification information is going to be needed to create the metaverse is jaw-dropping. We don't even need to worry about the Russians or the Chinese if it comes to the security of our data if people are contributing to this thing.
Real fast, Keith. Last week, the Fed tapped on the brakes, or said they were going to tap on the brakes, and the market went up. Is that the normal market reaction to tapping on the brakes?
You know, we don't have a lot of history to go by. I mean, October, we have December 2013 to October 2014 was the last real taper. The markets went up 10, 11, 12%, something in that range, if my memory's correct. We have had 65% correction since World War II. 92% of the time, the markets are up again over 10%. So I would submit 80% of the stocks are going to run higher here as long as he can manage this. And that's the key. There's a big if there.
The rally continues. Keith, thanks very much, sir. We'll see you again soon. The market is open.
Hi, it's Keith here. Thanks for checking out today's highlight clip. What'd you think? Did I make sense? Is there something you'd like to add? Make sure you leave a comment down below. And of course, click subscribe to keep up right here on YouTube or sign up for the email newsletter at the link below. You can also find me on Twitter and Instagram for my real-time thoughts on markets, analysis, and a whole lot more.